The way we build today will shape the future of our cities, our environment, and our climate. To reduce emissions from the built environment, we must look beyond energy use. This means addressing both operational carbon from heating, cooling, and powering buildings, and embodied carbon from materials and processes used in construction, renovation, and demolition. Together, these make up whole life carbon, a comprehensive approach to decarbonizing the built environment. EU policy is now aligning with this vision. The revised Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, also referred to as the EPBD, introduces measures to address emissions across a building's entire life cycle. Indicate supports industry and policy action on whole life carbon, providing the needed data foundation and tools to define benchmarks. The time to act is now.
A big chunk of the emissions occur even before a building is in use. This is what we call the embodied carbon emissions associated to the materials produced for new buildings and renovation. This is why we need to continue raising awareness of the importance of whole life carbon, and this is what Indicate is about.
Between 2022 and 2024, Indicate supported pilot projects in Ireland, the Czech Republic and Spain to increase the quality and quantity of life cycle assessment data which shows the environmental impact of materials and services over time.
Indicate has achieved a lot at national level. For example, building the trust of national governments. At European level, it raised interest from the European Commission in the project outcomes, especially from the EPBD implementation point of view.
Now, the work continues with Indicate Life, running from 2024 to 2026. This next phase expands to Austria, Italy, Croatia, and Luxembourg, and with Hungary as a following country.
Our vision for Indicate is to become the leading platform, fostering a data-driven life cycle approach to regulate decarbonization of the construction sector. It's the mission of Indicate to provide technical support to build capacity and dialogue among both the policymakers, industry professionals, and the academic experts.
While rooted in Europe, Indicate has the potential to inform efforts in other regions, supporting international collaboration on data, methods, and policy development.
I believe the wider vision of Indicate is to really take the learnings that we gathered in Europe to other world regions. There is a lot of potential to partner with experts and stakeholders in the Global South, especially, as that's where the majority of the new building construction is actually happening. Indicate, I think, has a lot of learnings that can be transferred and also elaborated on with partners. Indicate can partner with leading initiatives supporting open source development of whole life carbon building data and the related infrastructures for managing and assessing building data to support decarbonization strategies for the built environment.
Indicate hopes to lay the foundation for a more sustainable built environment, one that looks at the full picture, from materials to emissions to long-term impact. The time to act is now.